Riding through the forest on my trusty bike. The wind in my face, it feels so right. Horns like mirrors reflecting the sky. With every turn, nature whispers why. The scent of the forest hangs thick in the air. With every breath I feel a gentle care. Bird song filling the air, a harmony divine. Here in the woods I've got all the time. Let's lift our spirits, let the journey unfold, creating sweet memories worth more than gold. With a camera in hand and a drone in the sky, we'll capture the beauty as the moments fly. Walking down the trails where silence is found, the magic of nature, it keeps us spellbound. Stepping off the bike, now it's time to explore. Every path leads to wonders, who could ask for more? The sunlight dances through branches above. Every shadow a tapestry stitched with love. Each step on the trail is a story untold. Life's simple treasures are pure and bold. We laugh as we wander together, hand in hand, creating memories in our secret land. Let's lift our spirits, let the journey unfold, creating sweet memories worth more than gold. With a camera in hand and a drone in the sky, we'll capture the beauty as the moments fly. Walking down the trails where silence is found, the magic of nature, it keeps us spellbound. The rustle of leaves is music so clear, each sound like a postcard from nature, my dear. Moments captured, the laughter we share. In the heart of the forest we breathe all the air. Ponds like mirrors reflect our carefree delight. Sun-kissed adventures stretch long into the night. With memories stitched in the fabric of time, each snap of the shutter a reason to rhyme. As the sun starts to lower, painting skies aglow with colors so vibrant, a mesmerizing show. Drones rise above, capturing every scene. The heart of the forest feels like a dream. With every rustling branch, the woods come alive. In this swirling ballet, we feel the drive. We dance by the water, our spirits set free. Living for today, just you and me. Let's lift our spirits, let the journey unfold, creating sweet memories worth more than gold. With a camera in hand and a drone in the sky, we'll capture the beauty as the moments fly. Walking down the trails where silence is found, the magic of nature, it keeps us spellbound. So here's to the forest, to the stories we'll tell. On paths and on trails we've crafted our spell. With laughter and wonder we stroll hand in hand, lost in the beauty of our enchanted land. With gadgets and friendship we find the way. In this peaceful retreat, let's savor the day. The world fades away in this paradise found, together forever, where happiness abounds.